Hello learners, welcome to my channel Aryan Arya Academy. Today we are going to discuss polynomials. Before discussion, introduce some basic terms like a algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is an expression made up of variable and constant, digits, along with mathematical operators. An algebraic expression is a sum of terms which are considered to be building block for expression. In this continue, some terminology is basic terminology to define before discussion of the details. Terms. What is terms? A term is a product of variables and constant. A terms can be algebraic expression in itself. Example of terms: 5, which is just a constant. A itself it's also a terms. 7x, which is a product of constant 7 and the variable x. 6xy, which is the product of the constant and variable x and y. Another example, 5x square y, which is the product of 5x, x and y, and so on. The constant in each terms is referred to as the coefficient. Example of an algebraic expression: 3x square y plus 4x plus 5x plus 6, which is the sum of 4 terms. In this given expression, sum of 4 terms, first terms 3x square y, another terms 4xy, another terms 5x and 6. So these are the sum of 4 terms. An algebraic expression can have any number of terms. कोई भी नंबर्स ऑफ टर्म्स हो सकता है. फर्स्ट टर्म एक टर्म्स का भी हो सकता है, 2 टर्म्स का भी हो सकता है, 3 टर्म्स का भी हो सकता है और मेनी टर्म्स. The coefficient in each of terms can any real number. There can be any number of variable in an algebraic expression. The exponent on the variable, however, must be rational number. Now, what is polynomial? Before discussion, already say that an algebraic expression can have exponents that are rational. However, a polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the exponent on any variable is a whole number. That means non-negative integers. We can say a polynomial is also a algebraic expression which power or exponent of variable is a whole number. But in algebraic expression, power or exponent of variable are rational number. The difference between the polynomials and expression, we say that all polynomials are algebraic expression, but all algebraic expression not a polynomial. Some given example like this: 5x cube plus 3x plus 1 is an example of polynomial. It is also an algebraic expression. Another example, 2x plus 3 root x is an algebraic expression but not a polynomial. Since the exponent of variable like x is 1 by 2, which is not a whole number. So difference between the algebraic expression and polynomials already cleared that. Now general form of polynomials. A polynomial is a function of forms like fx is equal to an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dot and so on plus x a2 x square plus a1 x plus a0 where an minus 1 a and so on a2 a1 a0 are coefficient and coefficient a1 not equal to 0 and also here n is a non-negative integer and n is a degree of polynomial. Now degree of polynomial is a highest exponent or power of variable in this expression like x, its expression. Some another example of polynomials of degree: constant polynomials, linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials are polynomials of degree 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Polynomials of 0 is a 0 polynomials, but we said that degree is undefined. Now degree of the basic definition of the degree of polynomials: for a polynomials in one variable, the highest exponent or power on the variable in a polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. For example, the degree of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus 3x is a 2, as the highest power of x in the given expression is 2. Now classification या types of polynomials. Here two basic classification on the number of terms and another degree of the polynomials. So types of polynomials can be classified based on number of terms and degree of polynomials. Types of polynomial based on the number of terms. First, monomial. Monomial, a polynomial with just one term. Types of binomial, a polynomial with two terms. Example, 4x square plus x, 7x plus 5. Another more than example, a plus b, x plus y, like this. These are the binomial polynomial. These are the binomial polynomial. Next, types of trinomial. A polynomial with three terms. Example, x square plus 3x plus 4. Another example, a plus b plus c. Another example, x plus y plus z. These are the trinomial polynomial of the example. Another types of polynomial based on degree. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 1 is called a linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 1. Here variable x has a exponent of power 1, that is degree is 1, so that this expression, this polynomial is known as linear polynomial. Another, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Like example, 3x square plus 8x plus 5 is a quadratic polynomial. Here variable of x, highest power of variable x is 2, so that degree of this polynomial is 2, so this called quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. For example, 2x cube plus 5x square plus 9x plus 15 is a cubic polynomial. In this polynomial, highest power of variable is 3, so that degree of variable is 3. In this regard, this polynomial is called cubic polynomial. So today discuss all types of polynomials and basic terms of polynomials. Thanks all learners for watching.